Ever been jolted awake by that sudden, painful Charlie horse in the middle of the night? If you're a senior dealing with muscle cramps that make movement challenging, you're not alone. In fact, research shows up to 60% of older adults experience nighttime leg cramps regularly. The good news? Nature's medicine cabinet holds some powerful solutions. Today, we're counting down the top 3 scientifically backed superfoods that can help you maintain stronger, healthier muscles and say goodbye to those painful cramps for good. Before we begin, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Drop your city in the comments below. And if you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell for more senior health tips. Coming in at number 1 is the creamy, delicious avocado. This nutrient-dense fruit is packed with 2 minerals absolutely essential for muscle function: potassium and magnesium. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at maintaining electrolyte balance, which often leads to those painful muscle contractions we know as cramps. Just 1 cup of avocado delivers a remarkable 975 milligrams of potassium. That's more than twice the amount found in a banana. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that support circulation, ensuring your muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform their best. Additionally, the magnesium in avocados serves as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to prevent those frustrating nighttime spasms that can disrupt sleep. Try adding a quarter of an avocado to your lunch salad or morning toast. Not only will it enhance flavor and texture, but the healthy fats will also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from other foods, maximizing your overall nutrient intake. Our number 2 cramp-fighting food is Greek yogurt. This creamy dairy product offers a triple benefit for muscle health. It's rich in calcium for proper muscle contraction, contains more protein than regular yogurt to support muscle repair, and provides phosphorus for energy production. Many seniors don't realize that calcium deficiency can play a significant role in muscle cramps. While the potassium-magnesium connection gets plenty of attention, the critical calcium-muscle relationship is often overlooked. Your muscles require calcium to contract properly and relax completely. Without adequate amounts, they can literally get stuck in contraction mode. Greek yogurt stands out as particularly beneficial because it contains approximately twice the protein of regular yogurt, while typically being lower in sugar. This high-quality protein helps rebuild muscle tissue that naturally deteriorates with age, a condition known as sarcopenia that affects most seniors. For those seeking even greater protein content, Icelandic Skyr offers a thicker, more concentrated option with up to 20 grams of protein per serving. Use it as a breakfast base, post-activity recovery snack, or even as a healthy substitute for sour cream in savory dishes. And our number 3 superfood for defeating leg cramps is salmon. When leg weakness stems from inflammation or joint discomfort, salmon emerges as a remarkable 3-dimensional solution for lower body health. This nutrient-dense fish provides premium quality protein containing all essential amino acids required for muscle repair and preservation, particularly crucial for countering age-related muscle loss that can undermine leg strength. However, salmon's true distinction lies in its exceptional omega-3 fatty acid content, specifically EPA and DHA, which function as powerful natural anti-inflammatories. These compounds reduce muscle inflammation, alleviate joint stiffness, and improve circulation to the extremities, addressing multiple contributors to leg weakness simultaneously. Significantly, salmon stands among the rare natural food sources of vitamin D, a nutrient essential for proper neuromuscular communication. Research consistently shows that vitamin D deficiency correlates directly with balance impairments and increased fall risk, making salmon particularly valuable for maintaining stability and mobility. The combination of bioavailable protein, anti-inflammatory fats, and vitamin D creates a unique nutritional profile that supports leg strength from cellular to systemic levels. For optimal benefits, wild-caught varieties typically offer higher omega-3 concentrations and fewer environmental contaminants than farmed options. Preparation methods matter. Baking, grilling, or poaching preserves the delicate fats while avoiding the inflammatory compounds that frying can produce. For budget-conscious consumers, canned salmon provides identical nutritional benefits in a convenient, shelf-stable format, making consistent consumption accessible for most households. And our number 4 superfood beets. For those seeking relief from tired, heavy legs, the humble beetroot may be a powerful natural solution. The key to its benefits lies in its high concentration of dietary nitrates. Once consumed, your body transforms these compounds into nitric oxide, a molecule that acts as a vasodilator. This effectively relaxes and expands blood vessels, dramatically enhancing blood flow to the muscles in your legs. The outcome is a significant improvement in the delivery of oxygen, which can translate to the ability to stand for longer periods, walk greater distances, and experience quicker recovery times. Research supports this, showing that consistent intake of beetroot can boost endurance. In one study, participants were able to extend their walking time by up to 16% before the onset of fatigue. This can be transformative for anyone whose legs feel weak during everyday tasks. Beyond circulation, beets provide additional advantages. Their vibrant red pigment comes from betalains, which are powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help alleviate muscle soreness and reduce stiffness in the joints. This twofold approach, simultaneously enhancing blood flow and fighting inflammation, makes beets exceptionally beneficial for athletes and anyone dealing with leg discomfort. To maximize their nitrate content, it's best to consume beets with minimal cooking. They can be grated raw into salads, gently roasted to bring out their natural sugars, or pureed into nutritious smoothies. For a quick and potent option, a small 2 to 3 ounce serving of beet juice is highly effective. Beet powder also serves as a convenient alternative that can be easily mixed into drinks or recipes. To further boost their nutritional value, pair beets with citrus or other foods high in vitamin C to improve your absorption of the iron they contain. Beyond food, holistic approaches. While these 4 superfoods are powerful allies against muscle cramps, they work best as part of a comprehensive approach. First, stay hydrated. Dehydration is a primary trigger for muscle cramps, so aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, and more if you're active or in hot weather. Second, incorporate gentle stretching into your routine, particularly before bed, as this can significantly reduce cramp frequency. Try this simple calf stretch. Face a wall, place your hands flat against it, and step 1 foot back while keeping your heel flat on the floor. Hold for 30 seconds and switch sides. There you have it, 3 powerful, delicious foods that can help you say goodbye to painful leg cramps and welcome more comfortable movement and better sleep. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods are you most excited to add to your diet? Have you found other strategies that work for your muscle cramps? Share your experiences in the comments below.